In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check Capitec balance without app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a very straightforward way of checking how much balance you have on a credit card or any other account on Capitec without using their mobile banking app. So if you don't have access to the Capitec mobile banking app for whatever reason, you will still be able to check your current balance. So the most straightforward way to do this is going to be by dialing a very specific number. So on your phone, dial *120*3279#. So once again, *120*3279#. Once you dial this number, you will be able to start the process of checking your balance. So they will give you plenty of options regarding Capitec. What you have to do is choose option number 2 or whichever number it is for you, so balance inquiry. When you choose that option and you send the respective number, you will be able to proceed and choose an account. So you will see all of your accounts, such as a savings account, a current account, and so on, or any cards that you might have. Just choose the appropriate account by typing out the respective number. Before you are able to see the balance, you will have to verify that you are the owner of the account. So they will ask you to include a PIN or something similar. So enter your banking PIN, and after this is done, the balance will be displayed on your screen. So you can take a screenshot or just write it down. And you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many accounts as you have. You will be able to check the balance for all of them. Now, if you cannot do this method for whatever reason, or dialing this number isn't showing you your balance, then the best course of action is going to be to go to a branch. If you don't have access to the app, it becomes very annoying to check the balance every time. So either try dialing this number, and if this doesn't work, then you have to go over to a branch and ask them there. Or try using an ATM. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Capitec balance without app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.